and Riley have not seen. They've seen pictures, but they haven't seen it in real life. In real life, it's way more impressive than in pictures. Close them. Feels like the longest it's ever taken us to go down the street. Oh. Should put 35's back on it. Okay, you can look.
What's in my name? I don't like that it's taller than the F350.
Why? Why can't it be taller? Holy cow, boys and girls. This thing is absolutely insane. I'm not sure if you guys do remember the footage from this excursion here. He did go off-roading with the Avalanche a little bit ago. If you didn't see that, I'll link that video down below. But my buddy Cameron here brought over his excursion because we had to get the two together. These things are freaking massive. He's on a 12-inch BDS lift on 40s with 1550s. I'm on a 10-inch rough country lift kit here on 40s with 1350s. But man, these things look freaking killer together. We're gonna have to get some kind of photo shoot or something done with these by the time, you know, by the time that this thing's actually said and done. So another month, Danny and I, Slow Restorations, definitely check him out. We got a little special plan for this truck here, paint and body wise. I'm excited about that, but we've got to get these things together when they are done and just get some kind of photo shoot done. But definitely check him out. I'll put his information on the screen. And do you have an Instagram? No. Okay. I was gonna say, I don't think you did, but all right, cancel all that. But for today's video, we're gonna go ahead and we've got a huge update for the Tahoe here. I've got lights and everything that we're gonna do. Like I said, guys, I was trying to get some headlights for it. I finally got the correct headlights and marker lights for that thing. So I'm gonna talk a little bit here with my buddy Cameron and take some pictures, and then we're gonna get back into the Tahoe. We're gonna mount the bumper. Well, you see the thumbnail. I'll pick back up in a couple minutes, guys. Alrighty, boys and girls. Well, we had a bunch of people actually stop over yesterday just to check out this truck. It was freaking cool, including, as you can tell by, I think, the title in the thumbnail. I don't know if I titled that or not, but the original owner of this truck actually swung by. His son and his son-in-law actually follow the build and everything on the channel, which is pretty cool. So Mike and Mikey, you know, thanks for all the support and everything like that. This thing is freaking killer. He absolutely loved it. I did put a picture up. He's not very big on social media. He kind of asked that he wasn't, you know, put on social media, so we didn't really put him on social media, but I did really want to. But it is what it is, guys. So this truck is all about done. We got a couple things we got to wrap up with it yet. I just got to kind of clean everything up, move everything. But today we are actually going to finish up on the Tahoe build. So the Tahoe here, if you guys don't know, I went back and forth trying to decide whether or not I was going to use this bumper or the Jeep bumper. I've given it a lot of thought. I think what we're going to do is go ahead and get this bumper completely mounted on here. I think we're going to 100% just utilize the bumper that we have here. The other thing, we've got our corner lights, we've got our headlights, we've got our turn signals, we've got everything in to complete the front end and the look of this truck. So I'm freaking excited about that. I also got the mirror I got to get tossed on here. So without further ado, let's get the grill and everything tossed off of here, and then we will fully mount this up. And I mean, it's gonna look freaking awesome, guys. It's gonna look epic. I love this thing. I don't know which one I love more now. I don't know if I love the Tahoe more or if I absolutely love the F350 here. Again, I'm sourcing a bed right now, so that's kind of why I didn't put the bed and everything back together. So don't quote me on that. Plus, there is a bunch of wood in the back of the bed. So I'm trying to figure out what we're doing with the bed, guys. I thought I was gonna do a flatbed. Turns out we're not going to do a flatbed. I think this truck is absolutely too tall to run a flatbed on it. So I do want to source a regular bed. So if any companies out there want to work with me on a bed for this truck, please do reach out to me via Snapchat, or not Snapchat. Please do reach out to me via Instagram or my email, taz313@aol.com. I definitely need a bed for this truck. I want to put, you know, an 11 to 16 rust-free bed on this. Also, I ordered cab corners. They actually are on my front porch. I didn't get to do them yet, so we're going to do a video on the cab corners once we pull the bed off. So look for the bed to come off very, very soon, and we'll get back on this truck here. But let's just get this thing going here. I got to get this thing looking absolutely killer. It looks good now, but these lights have got to go. So let's get everything swapped out. So again, guys, my yard is in absolute terrible shape, but if you guys need any landscaping done, he's out of the New Cumberland area. I thought it was Edders, but definitely check him out. I'm not sure how well you guys can see that, but definitely check out Mike. He's doing a fantastic job here. We know my property is a mess, so it's going to take him some time. It's not going to look good right away, but we've got the man for the job here to get it all taken care of. All right, I'm going to let him finish up here, and then we'll go up here, and I will talk to you about the finished product. I promise you guys, I absolutely cannot stop staring at this truck. It came out freaking killer. Now, I freaking love this color combo. I actually do like the white and the gold with the orange, but we're not here to talk about that. We are actually over here to talk about the Tahoe, and it looks freaking killer. So before you guys say anything about the bumper fitment and anything, this bumper obviously had to have been, you know, bent up worse than I thought. You can see there's a big dent here, and then there's another dent here. I thought I'd be able to get it straightened out, but I can't. This corner actually sits way lower than that corner. It could, however, be from, you know, the accident that we had on the front of the F450, but I think it's just this bumper. I went ahead and found a used bumper. Well, I went ahead and found a new bumper on the internet. I'm pretty sure it's new. It's off of eBay, and it'll actually be without this trim piece, so I won't have to cover in any of them holes. I also didn't realize there was as many holes in it as there is. So I'm not going to completely test fit this and make it look perfect, because we're going to replace that bumper. Some of the other things, like you guys do know on this truck, I'm going to pull the control arms off. I have new outer and inner tie rods. I have the adjustment sleeves. The bolts and everything I want to take out and get powder coated. I got new ball joints for it. I literally have everything for the front end of this thing to get completely rebuilt. So you guys will see this truck in the background of a couple videos here. As you see, you know, we make the progress. But then the next month, we're going to actually get this thing finished up. You probably won't see another video until I do an unveil video of the actual wrap. Huge giveaway right there, guys. We are actually wrapping this thing. I am freaking excited. The other thing I had to do, which I didn't really notice until now, which I guess I did notice it, but I didn't really think about it. This fender is actually in worse shape than I actually anticipated it to be from me hitting the front of the F450. So I went ahead and actually ordered a new fender, new bumper, and a new other fender over there. So the front end of this thing is going to be absolutely all brand new. As you can tell, grill and everything is coming. This thing's going to be freaking killer, guys. I absolutely love this thing, and I cannot wait to do a huge reveal. It should be done within the next month here, guys. Also, I've been kicking around, I think, well, never mind, we won't even talk about that, but I definitely want to get new tires for it. We'll talk about that later date. When it gets to reveal, we'll go over what tires and everything we have on this. But hey, I hope that you guys do love this build as I do, and I hope you guys are understanding to be a little bit patient with this. We're getting so close to getting everything done. I mean, just imagine the garage or the shed here or the house. I guess I don't have a garage, I only have like a little shed here, but imagine the house here with the F450 all cleaned up, the Tahoe all done up, the freaking F350 over here getting all buttoned up and everything finished. I mean, the Avalanche, we've got everything that we need to actually have kind of a pretty badass garage, if I don't say so myself. But there you guys have it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up for today. I can't wait to get this thing big revealed to you guys, so look for that. And I'd say about 30 days we should have this thing fully wrapped and 100% ready to drive down the road and just be, you know, the perfect all-around daily driver. So again, guys, if you like the content, please give it a big thumbs up. I appreciate all the support I've been getting lately. Everything is going in the right direction, and you guys are absolutely killing the vibes. The vibes have been so positive lately. I'm freaking excited. But that's going to end the video, guys. So take care. Have a great night, and I will see you in the next one. I do plan on posting every other day now, guys. So stay tuned. For the month of September, we're going to post every other day. So you won't see one tomorrow, but you'll see one the following day. You won't see one the following day after that, but you'll see one the following day after that. So hope you guys enjoy the new schedule. Take care. We'll see you in the next one. Alrighty, well, I did hire a landscaper here, so I will have his information on the screen here. Actually, when I jump in the truck, I'll get his card and show it to you guys. Check him out if you guys are local to like Edders, Harrisburg area, somewhere in there. He does all the landscaping, so he's gonna come out and knock all my high weeds and everything down. But I want to show you guys this, but I gotta wait till he's done, so stand by. She walked under it yesterday.
Almost. You put that down this much.
Now I can I'm looking down this much.
There's a lot of room over your head, though.
Mo walked under it yesterday. Go ahead, walk under it, Mo. Throw that nasty bow away. Give me that bow. Why are you even holding it? You must have spilled something, because that's spilled. Like, it's still white, so you spilled something on it.
It's not even up to my not down to like my knees.
Go ahead.
Dad, can I get on the side again? Why can't you get on that side? Because it's big.
It has a running board on the other side, which I'm taking off, so.
No, don't. Yeah, he is.
No, I don't want to help her get it up every single time. I don't think I can even reach this bar.
Dad, can you open that side so I can get in, please? Dad.
Not the door. I'll grab onto this.
Do you think I could reach it?
Grab onto the seat. No, far back.
You need to grab it just
Ready, Mom? Come here,
Oh my
Nancy.
god.
You can do it by yourself?
Sure, she can do it by herself.
I should hurry up and get this done so we can take this to your practice.
When do we have practice?
Wait, you're driving this on the road? Wait, I don't have your hand. I need to grab your hand. Okay, put your foot up there again.
At 5:30, I think.
There you go.
Is this the best build yet?
No.
What's the best one?
F450.
You just gotta make it taller.
It's like 6 inches taller than the F450.
I don't care.
Guys, look under the seat.
And this is gonna ride way better than that.
Diesel!
Yeah.
Sarah, you almost put your bag in dog poop.
What?
Literal dog poop. Back row gotta get closed first.
I'll help you out. No, holy.
You gotta be kidding me.
What?
There's already black stuff on the shoe.
Is it on mine? I'm good.